Are you feeding your body or igniting it? Ever wondered what anti-inflammatory foods can do for your body? Well, get ready to discover the incredible benefits of these superfoods. At the heart of it all, anti-inflammatory foods are those that help to combat and reduce inflammation within our bodies. They're like the body's own little superheroes, fighting off the villains that are chronic inflammation and its associated health problems. Chronic inflammation, if left unchecked, can lead to a variety of health issues, from heart disease and diabetes to arthritis and even certain types of cancer. But here's the good news. By incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into our diets, we can help our bodies to fight off these potential threats, promoting overall health and well-being. Foods rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and other nutrients are especially beneficial in this regard. So let's dive in and discover some amazing anti-inflammatory foods that you can easily incorporate into your diet. Click below in the link to discover all the recipe books and food plans. Fruits, especially berries, are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. They are nature's sweet treat to us. Let's start with the quintessential summer fruit, strawberries. These bright red beauties are not just a delight to the palate, but also a powerhouse of antioxidants like anthocyanins. These compounds give strawberries their vibrant hue and help combat inflammation in the body. Plus, they're rich in vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in boosting immunity and skin health. Next up, let's dive into the world of blueberries. These tiny orbs of goodness are packed with a type of antioxidant called flavonoids. Flavonoids are known for their anti-inflammatory and immune system benefits. They can help protect your body from damage and disease. Blueberries are also an excellent source of fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full. Now let's turn our attention to cherries, particularly tart cherries. These are a great source of anthocyanins similar to strawberries, but they also contain a unique compound called tart cherry anthocyanin, which is known to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Not to forget, cherries are also a good source of melatonin, which can help improve your sleep quality. In addition to their anti-inflammatory properties, all these berries support heart health. They do this by helping to reduce risk factors for heart disease, such as high cholesterol and blood pressure levels. Plus, they're loaded with fiber, which is known to lower the risk of heart disease by reducing levels of LDL or bad cholesterol. So, whether you're enjoying them fresh, frozen, in smoothies or salads, or even as a topping on your morning oatmeal, adding a serving or two of these berries to your diet can be a delicious way to fight inflammation and support overall health. And remember, while these fruits are incredibly healthful, they're just one piece of the dietary puzzle. Pair them with a balanced diet of other anti-inflammatory foods for the best results. So next time you're craving a snack, reach for a handful of berries for a healthy and delicious choice. Click below in the link to discover all the recipe books and food plans. One cannot talk about anti-inflammatory foods without mentioning fatty fish, a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. When it comes to battling inflammation naturally, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are the heavy hitters. These fish are swimming, quite literally, in omega-3 fatty acids, a kind of fat that's been proven to reduce inflammation and offer other health benefits. Now you might be wondering what makes these fish so special. Well, it's all in the omega-3s. These essential fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, are found in high amounts in fatty fish, and they're not just anti-inflammatory superheroes. They also support brain health, cardiovascular health, and can even help to regulate mood. In the world of fish, salmon is the undisputed king of omega-3s. This pink-hued powerhouse is not only delicious but also packed with these health-boosting fatty acids. And then there's mackerel, another omega-3 heavy hitter. It's strong in flavor and high in nutrients, making it a great addition to any anti-inflammatory diet. Don't forget about sardines. These small but mighty fish pack a punch when it comes to omega-3 fatty acids. They're also a fantastic source of vitamin D, another nutrient that's known for its anti-inflammatory properties. But what if you're not a fan of fish? No worries. You can still reap the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. There are plenty of supplements available that can help you get your daily dose. However, it's always best to get nutrients from whole foods whenever possible. So next time you're planning your meals, why not include some fatty fish? Whether you're grilling a salmon steak, adding some mackerel to your salad, or enjoying some sardines on toast, you're doing your body a favor by fueling it with these omega-3 rich foods. Just remember that while fatty fish can be a fantastic addition to your diet, balance is key. A varied diet full of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains is the best way to keep inflammation in check. Remember, a fish a day keeps inflammation at bay. Click below in the link to discover all the recipe books and food plans. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados and extra virgin olive oil, are not only delicious, but they also have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Let's delve into the world of avocados first. This creamy green fruit is a treasure trove of monounsaturated fats, the kind that can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower your risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Avocados are also packed with oleic acid, a fatty acid that has been shown to reduce inflammation in numerous studies. Plus, they're a great source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your body from free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can cause inflammation and damage your cells. Now let's talk about extra virgin olive oil, or EVU as it's fondly known. This golden liquid is a staple in Mediterranean diets, renowned for their health benefits. EVU is rich in monounsaturated fats, just like avocados, but it also contains a unique compound called oleocanthal. This natural substance has been compared to ibuprofen in its ability to reduce inflammation. It's like getting a dose of natural pain relief every time you drizzle it on your salad or roast your veggies. But the benefits of avocados and EVU don't stop there. Both are excellent for your skin. The healthy fats and antioxidants in avocados and EVU can keep your skin supple and glowing. They help maintain your skin's natural barrier and prevent dryness. So you're not just eating for your health, you're eating for beauty too. Avocados and EVU are versatile and can be incorporated into your diet in numerous ways. From salads to smoothies, from breakfast to dinner, there's always room for these nutritious powerhouses on your plate. So don't fear fats. Embrace these healthy fats for a delicious and nutritious diet. These are not just any fats, but fats that fight inflammation, support your heart, and keep your skin looking its best. Click below in the link to discover all the recipe books and food plans. Green tea and dark chocolate, anyone? These are not just treats, but powerful anti-inflammatory foods. Let's start with green tea. This ancient beverage, revered by cultures around the world, is a powerhouse of antioxidants known as catechins. The most potent among them is epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG for short. This mighty molecule is known for its capacity to combat inflammation and keep our bodies running smoothly. But that's not all. Green tea is also a rich source of polyphenols, plant-based compounds that further enhance its anti-inflammatory properties. Plus, it's a great hydrator and an excellent alternative to caffeinated beverages. So, the next time you're reaching for a cup of joe, consider switching it up with a warm, soothing cup of green tea. And now, let's talk about dark chocolate. This delicious treat is far more than just a guilty pleasure. Dark chocolate, especially the kind that's 70% cacao or more, is packed with antioxidants, particularly flavonols. These compounds are known for their ability to fight inflammation and support heart health. But the goodness of dark chocolate doesn't stop there. It's also a source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in over 300 biochemical reactions in our bodies, including those related to inflammation. So, when you're enjoying a piece of dark chocolate, you're not just satisfying your sweet tooth, you're also nourishing your body. What's more, both green tea and dark chocolate have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. So these aren't just tasty treats, they're potent health allies. So feel free to indulge in these guilt-free pleasures, knowing they are doing wonders for your health. Click below in the link to discover all the recipe books and food plans. We've covered some amazing anti-inflammatory foods today, haven't we? From the vibrant fruits and berries packed with antioxidants, to the omega-3 rich fatty fish, each one offering a host of benefits to our bodies. We explored the heart-healthy fats found in avocados and extra virgin olive oil, essentials in any kitchen. And let's not forget the comforting green tea and indulgent dark chocolate, proving that nutritious can also be delicious. These foods are more than just tasty treats. They're weapons in your arsenal, fighting against inflammation, boosting your immune system, and promoting overall health. They're nature's gift, readily available for us to enjoy and reap the benefits. Making these anti-inflammatory foods a regular part of your diet can be a game changer. Think of it as an investment in your health, a promise to your future self for a more vibrant, energetic life. Remember, a diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods not only tastes great but also supports your overall health and well-being. So why not give it a try? Click below in the link to discover all the recipe books and food plans.